In this step we're going to build the cathode control circuit, and this isn't going to take very long. The components we have are a K155 ID1 and its socket and the header strip, and we're going to put those here and here. So first of all we have to respect that the notch is on this side and that matches on the notch on the board there. Let's apply a bit of tape to just hold the socket in place while we are tacking it into place, and we'll come back afterwards and solder it in properly. So first of all we'll solder just 2 opposing pins, tape away, and then we'll check that it's in place properly. And all I'm doing is I'm holding it down and reflowing the contacts here. Okay, now that that's in place we can do the other pins. For the header strip, and again we'll just tape it in place while we make the first contact. And we can check that the header strip is in properly and it's straight, and you can see clearly it's not at all straight there. So I'll hold the pins that I'm not soldering and we'll just reflow that, and you can feel when it's right. It will, when it's sitting up straight, you can actually feel that as you're wobbling it backwards and forwards because it has a flat spot. Okay, that's that done. And now we can put in our K155 ID1 chip. Notch goes to the notch. And we're in place.